Have you ever noticed how some mornings feel heavy before anything has actually happened? Your eyes open, the day hasn't begun, and yet your chest feels tight. There's no clear thought, no obvious fear, just an uncomfortable sense of something being wrong. You lie there, scanning your mind. Did I forget something? Is something bad about to happen? Why do I feel like this? And the more you try to understand it, the louder the feeling becomes. This is the morning anxiety spiral, and for many people, it happens without words. Today, we're not going to analyze it. We're not going to fight it. We're going to gently interrupt it, using a 3-minute reset that speaks the language of the body, not the mind. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand what's happening, you'll know exactly how to calm it.
Here's something rarely explained. Morning anxiety often isn't psychological, it's physiological memory. During sleep, your brain processes emotional materials stored in the body. Old stress, unexpressed emotion, unfinished experiences. When you wake up, the thinking mind isn't fully online yet, but the nervous system already is. And if you struggle with alexithymia, the difficulty identifying or naming emotions, this creates a unique kind of distress. Because the body feels activated, but the mind can't explain why. So instead of, I feel sadness, I feel fear, I feel grief, you experience tightness, restlessness, pressure, a sense of urgency without direction. This is why morning anxiety feels so personal and so mysterious. The hidden cost? You start the day dysregulated. You mistrust your body's signals. You feel emotionally behind before the day begins. And over time, you disconnect from your inner compass. But nothing here is a flaw. Your system is actually doing its best to protect you. And once we understand that, we can work with it instead of against it.
Most advice says, change your thoughts. Think positive. Reframe the anxiety. But here's the truth. You cannot think your way out of a nervous system response. Morning anxiety doesn't come from thoughts. Thoughts come after the anxiety. Your body wakes up in protection mode. Your mind scrambles to explain it. That's why reassurance rarely works, and why understanding alone doesn't calm the feeling. What does work is somatic communication, sending safety signals to the body. That's where today's reset comes in.
This reset is designed specifically for moments when you feel anxious but can't name why. Your body feels tense before your mind engages. Emotional language feels inaccessible. It's called the somatic anchor because it gives your nervous system something solid to rest against. No affirmations, no emotional labeling, no mental effort, just sensation, breath, and presence. And we're going to do it slowly together. If it feels safe, allow your eyes to close. Place one hand on your chest and one on your lower belly. Feel the warmth of your hands. That contact alone begins sending safety signals. Now, gently inhale through your nose for 4 and exhale through your mouth for 6. Longer exhales tell the nervous system there is no immediate threat. Again. Now bring your attention to weight. The weight of your body. The support beneath you. You don't need to relax. Just notice being held. If your mind wanders, that's not a mistake. That's the system learning. Each time you notice, gently return to sensation. Now, silently repeat on each exhale, I am here. Not calm, not peaceful, just here.
I am here. Let your breath find its own rhythm. Notice any small shifts, even subtle ones. This is regulation happening in real time. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.
What you just experienced wasn't relaxation. It was reconnection. You reminded your nervous system, you are safe now. You are present. You are not required to prepare for danger. Over time, this practice reduces baseline anxiety, improves emotional awareness naturally, softens alexithymia without forcing insight, and rebuilds trust between mind and body. This is how mornings change, not through control, but through consistency.
Immediately after waking, before checking your phone, during moments of emotional confusion, 3 minutes is enough, because safety isn't created through effort, it's created through presence. So I'll leave you with this. What would your life feel like if your mornings felt safe again? Share your experience in the comments. Your voice matters here. Subscribe to Thrive Within MindBody Reset if you're ready to keep building inner stability. And remember, you don't need to fix yourself, you need to feel yourself safely. See you in the next one.